So in this video is for those students who are going to write board exam next year. CBSE has come out with a circular. You must have seen this circular and I will explain this to you. In this circular, they have explained how the board exam, all the assessment scheme, etc. is going to happen. So I'm going to summarize this in a quick video, and after that I will ask you to go and read this circular. The circular has been uploaded on NEET Prep Telegram channel. So when you go there, you will be able to understand that circular very well. Let me quickly explain to you what is happening. So what is happening is, purpose of this circular is to avoid the mess that got created this year, where government did not think about the scenario of corona being there, and finally the Prime Minister had to cancel the exam on 1st June. So this should not happen. This is the purpose. Assumption is that pandemic situation will remain for at least next 1 year, right? So what they are saying is there would be a reduced syllabus. They will announce what the reduced syllabus is going to be. Second thing that they are saying is 2 exams will be conducted by CBSE, where they will give the school the paper, and they will also send independent observers. This is what they are saying. 2 exams. Term 1 between November and December, 50% syllabus, and this will be MCQ format, 90 minutes. Term 2 between March and April, 50% syllabus. This might be all format. Short answer, single word, long answer, MCQs, assertion, reason, all kind of format that are possible, right? So these 2 term exams are going to be there. They are not told in the circular what is going to be the weightage of term 1 and term 2, but they have given a very interesting scenario which I want to explain to you. So scenario 1 is term 1 and term 2 both happen at school. So tick means exam happened in school, cross means exam could not happen in school because of corona situation and it was given at home for you to do by yourself. Happy birthday, right? So this is scenario 1. Both exams happened, so combination of term 1 and term 2 would be taken in your final score for class 12. This is the same scenario for class 10 board exams as well. Scenario 2, if term 1 happened in home and term 2 happened in school, then term 1 weightage would be reduced, term 2 would have higher weightage. In case of term 1 happened in school and term 2 could not happen in school, your result will be based on term 1. They are building that scenario. This is very nice, right? This is something which probably they did not assume would happen this year, but next year they are anticipating such a situation. They are already doing it. And both term 1 and term 2 cannot happen in school, then higher weightage would be given for internal assessment. CBSE is also saying that schools would have to do digital upload of all activities and internal assessments. Right? So they have very clearly communicated that this is what you can expect. So this is the most important part of this circular. If you go back to this circular, first 2 pages are just like that. Page number 3 and 4 are important, where they have explained what is term 1 and term 2. And after that, they have given these scenarios, right, as per different situations. If you go through it now, you will exactly understand. After watching this video, if you go through it now, you will exactly understand. We have also uploaded it on our Telegram channel, this circular. But what I want to tell you, 2 things. One is, hopefully you have understood this scenario. When CBSE decides something, CBSE has taken a decision, good chances ICSE will follow. And third is, state boards will follow. And at least will follow. And at least those states in which BJP has the government, almost 100% chance it would get followed. Where BJP is not in power, it might be slightly different, but largely this is going to be the assessment criteria for majority of the students appearing for class 12th board exam next year. So hopefully you have understood it. I want one promise for you. Please don't waste time. You already have very less time remaining for your next year exams, your board exams, your NEET exams. You have understood it. Spend next 30 minutes, go through the circular, watch this video. After that, go through the circular. This is it. And promise you're not going to waste any further time and go back to your studies. All right, students.